Hello everyone, once again welcome to our CRM video series. In today's episode, we will going to cover on how to select right CRM for your business. Let's start with couple of steps. Number 1, define objectives. If you are looking for the CRM for sales team, then you have to focus on lead management, opportunity management, uh, calendar, activity management, and all those things. Also, it should be better to have a feature for lead tracking, sales funnel, and etc. If you are looking for the CRM for marketing team, then email campaign, SMS campaign, and all the campaign tracking activities should be there in the CRM. So selecting a CRM for marketing team, this kind of the feature is very important to have in the CRM. If you are looking for the CRM for support team, then ticket management, then help desk system, service level agreement, everything should be there. So when you are selecting the CRM, make sure those CRM should offer this functionality and features for all this respected area. Number 2, identifying needs. If you are looking for the CRM for a sales team, then you should have to identify like what's need of the sales team, what the problem they are facing right now. Are they not storing their leads properly, they are not managing the leads properly, or they also need something from the CRM where they can do all day-to-day activities. Also, they can remember all the events and activities from the CRM. If you are looking for the CRM for the marketing team, then you should have to sit with the marketing team, try to understand their needs, what you are going to achieve from the CRM as far as marketing is concerned, like proper email campaigning, there should be a lead nurturing, steps of various email which is sending out from the system, tracking of the emails, whether email is going to open by the customers or click on the link inside the email. It means like email tracking is very important. So just check with your marketing team that you really need a CRM for a marketing purpose as well. Third one is support. For support, you should have to check with the support team where for what purpose they really look for the CRM to manage day-to-day support tickets from the customer, because support is very important after sales. So maintaining the customer after sales is very important. So ticketing system inside the CRM is very important. So you have to sit with the support team and get all the required information from there, so you can choose the right CRM when you are talking to the different CRM company. Number 3, budget allocation. You should have to focus on the costing of the CRM, because nowadays in a market there is a tons of the CRM, and every CRM is offering various pricing factors. Some CRM is offer subscription based model, and some CRM is offer one-off cost model. Also, there are many open source CRM in the market which covers basic needs of your company to start the implementation of the CRM. So open source CRM is also been useful for the initial startup and initial investment of your company for the CRM. So you have to define the budget, like how much you would want or you will going to invest in the CRM. This will helpful to manage your budget while selecting the CRM company. Number 4, scalability. Every day your business has to be grow. So consider like today you have 100 customers, tomorrow you have 1000, and day after tomorrow you will have 10,000 customers. So every day your customer is increased, your revenue is increased. So you have to check the CRM should be scalable enough. So whenever any new features and function which you would like to add into the CRM has to be scalable enough. Means you have to select those CRM which is going to provide extensive customization or extensive implementation inside the CRM, which will help you to scale the CRM from level 1 to level 5. Number 5, security and compliance. Whenever you are selecting the CRM, you have to make sure that CRM should be secure enough. This is very important when you are selecting a CRM, because nowadays there is a lot of hacking attempts has been happened to CRM everywhere. So you have to make sure that CRM is hosted on the right data center in a secure environment, as well as your data has to be secure, because data is new oils nowadays. So make sure whenever you are selecting the CRM, it has to be secure enough. Number 6, data management and backup. This is very important step for you to selecting the right CRM for your company, because today you select a CRM, but tomorrow you might want to replace the CRM with other CRM. So in that case, you should have a backup of the CRM. You have the backup of existing CRM to make sure like you can easily migrate from one CRM to another CRM. So data management and backup is very important step for you to consider while selecting the CRM for your company. Number 7, performance monitoring and analytics. Whenever you are selecting a CRM, you have to make sure like CRM is performing well for your company, as well as analytics of every data which you store in the system has to be there. So make sure when you are selecting the CRM, analytics and performance monitoring should be there in order for you to select right CRM for your company. Number 8, vendor selection. This is very important steps to select a CRM for your company. When you're selecting a vendor, you have to verify the reputation of the vendor, the track record of the vendor, as well as their earlier implementation with a big company or enterprise or a small company. Make sure vendor has experience working with the CRM. This will help you to have the CRM to be implemented properly for your company. Hope you like this video. We're going to share more video related to the CRM, and we will going to share that to you. That will help you to select right CRM for your company. If you have any question or concern, feel free to send an email as well as comments to this video. Thank you so much.